It only takes a 13mm wrench to disassemble, wash, and replace all the molds. Hey guys, I'm Ricky. Today I will be showing you the features of the capsule filling machine NJP1200D. The main features of this machine are 1. It is equipped with an anti-leakage device, which significantly improves production efficiency and loading accuracy. 2. It only takes a 13mm wrench to disassemble, wash, and replace the mold, which helps improve the efficiency of disassembling and assembling. And 3. All the parts that are disassembled and washed daily are positioned with pins. After the disassembly and washing, we only need to install the parts in the corresponding station, align the double pins, and fix them with screws to complete the assembly. This machine has a production capacity of 720,000 pieces per hour. The components on the machine are all internationally well-known brands, including Schneider, Omron, Siemens, and other brands, which are easy to purchase for replacements. Compared to most C-type automatic capsule filling machine molds, NJP1200D has a relatively high production capacity, relatively small and light value, and relatively low noise. The mechanical drive replaces the belt drive, which is more stable and has a longer service life. I'm Ricky. If you have any questions about the equipment or about the pharmaceutical industry in general, feel free to leave a question down in the comment section below. Please leave a like or follow us at CN for more information. See you next time.